Okay, on this batch we're going to be running some Circus Peanuts for the wife. And we'll run them at whatever settings Harvest Right says, just to test this version 6 software some more. I don't know why I'm in big hunk, but let's get out of that. Let's go down here and find Circus Peanuts. There's the Circus Peanuts. Go down here, version 6, we're on it. We're going to start with recommended setup. We're going to click that on the phone. And it went right to load trays. And these I know get really, sometimes they get really big. Funny looking, so we won't overload the trays on this. Maybe go 8 or so. And I will put parchment on these too, just to make sure it's easier to get out. I will leave one aside for comparison. Maybe one to eat. Let's see if I got enough to have an extra one to eat. Oh yeah, I got a couple I can eat. Look at that. I got 2 for the chef. Okay, so it says load trays. Let's get them loaded. Oh, I want parchment on these just in case. I reuse my parchment multiple times in a row. If I'm doing not multiple times in a row on the same day. If it's a different day, I don't reuse it. That way we can see them two grow. Pull that seal out a little. Bring you guys over here. Hit the continue button. Okay, so these are going to pre-warm. $130 for 5 minutes. So it's got to get up to 130 first, then it'll go for 5 minutes. And then I will bring you back and we'll see what happens. Be back in a minute. So we're down to the last minute of the pre-warm. I figured we'd open this up and see how they feel. Definitely warm on the bottom, a little squishy. Yep, it's warm all the way up through. Pull that seal out, back out a little. Bring my light in so you can see. There you go. They're definitely swelling up and cracking. Got these at the dollar store. They may have been a little old. I'm not sure these are going to turn out. We've ran these before, they've gotten bigger, and I don't think they've had them big cracks in them. So I'm thinking these might have been a little stale. But I'll bring you back when they're done. Okay, so the Circus Peanuts have been in there for the recommended amount of time. And we're going to take them out and see how they did. Let the air back in. I don't have high hopes for these, but we'll see. Unfortunately, I think that's a failure, but we're going to taste test one, and normally these things get about that big around. I think they were stale. So that's barely any bigger than, I mean a little bit. Barely any bigger than the original. Let's bite into it, see what it does. It's not bad, just not as fluffy. I think they were stale. So they didn't turn out as fluffy. They've got some down here that turned out a little fluffier. They're okay. That's pretty good right there. They're not bad, but I think they were stale. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.